guys, it's your girl Goldobsessionz. I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing this hair, and I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to get this color with $20 hair, $20 bundles. Yes, I did dye $20 bundles. Can you believe it? I know you guys have been asking me to dye more synthetic hair since I posted those 30-inch bundles for $10 video. I know a lot of you guys also have been asking me to do an update on that video, which I cannot do because if you guys didn't know, I got into a car accident and my wig actually came off and it was in the car. So yeah, but I can bring you guys different hair, and I'll try to like rebuy that one. I'll try to rebuy that one in the future and maybe do something with that. If you guys would like to see that, make sure you comment down below. But how are you guys feeling this? Like, let me know down in the comments. This is a wig that I made, but this hair was $20. And this is 16. This is 14, 16, 18, and a 14-inch closure. But I really feel like this hair is really like 20 inches because this is how long 20 and 22 inches comes on me. So I think that is 20, 18, 16 inch with a 14-inch closure. But also, this is a human and synthetic hair mix. So yeah, I do feel like the top of the hair is more human than synthetic. This closure did not come with, no, it did come with lace to cut, but it's just a parted closure. Let me see. I'm trying to go ahead and get all the specs out. Let me see. So far, I love this freaking hair. Like, it does get tangled, but I mean, I don't really mind too much because the hair was only $20 and I could achieve this beautiful color with it. I actually had my hair dyed this color and I've been wanting to try it for a while on a wig. So boom, here it is. Let me see what else about this hair. Does it shed? Let me see. When I was dyeing it, I think I got a few pieces and when I was doing the hair, but that's because I did cut my track, so there it is. But there's nothing really major wrong with this hair. It doesn't like tangle terribly. It doesn't shed terribly. I am thinking about flat ironing this hair eventually, but not right now. Right now, I love the waves. Right now, I am loving the body that this is giving me. This is giving me tropical vibes. This is giving me icy like 1017. Like, this is, yes, like this is definitely a vibe. Also, I wanted to say thank you guys so much for 800 subscribers. Before I even get a chance to say thank you for 700 subscribers, you guys gave me the 800, and that just made me so happy. Like, I can't believe how fast my channel is growing and how many of us it is now. I just want to say keep subscribing, keep smashing that like button, keep telling me what you guys want to see on this channel so I can keep giving it to you. Like, so I can keep giving it to you. So, yeah, without further ado, let's just get into. So guys, this is the hair that I'm using. This is the Main Concept Nature's Bundles in Fresh Wave, and I have it in the color 613. Of course, like I said before, the length is 14, 16, 18 with a 14-inch closure. And my first impressions of this hair was it's very, very soft. I could easily run my fingers through it. The closure wasn't thin at all. The hair wasn't thin. No, actually, I did think that the hair was going to be thin, but it turned out that it wasn't. I guess I just had to unravel the bundles and put it on the wig. But yeah, so I'm just showing you guys like how it came and stuff like that. Like I said before, this hair was only $20. So if you didn't see my last synthetic hair dye tutorial, I used the watercolor method to dye my synthetic hair or wigs, and that's the same thing I'm doing now. I just boil some water in a big pot, and I have a basin on the side. When this gets to a boil, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it into the basin. I didn't use too much water because I really wanted the color to be potent, and I feel like it came out pretty decent. Here are the hair dyes that I am using. I'm using the Kiss Temptation dye in lime green and the Kiss Express dye in forest green. Now, at first I was going for a lime green color, but you guys will see where that took a turn. I definitely feel like I could have achieved lime green, but not with this particular dye. I definitely feel like I should have used Adore dye if I was going for this, or I should have used the regular Kiss dye that I have in forest green. As you can see, that forest green dye is really going to overpower that lime green dye, and it's going to really give it that mint green that you guys saw at the beginning of the video. Watching. This is how the hair came out. This is a really beautiful color. This wig is constructed like I did use the closure. I sewed the closure on and I glued the tracks in with just regular hair glue. This hair lays extremely freaking flat. The tracks are thin, but they're not like extremely thin or anything. And I really love how like it really took the color. I really was going for that lime green at first, but I'm actually glad that I got this one instead because it is getting colder outside. It is becoming fall and winter time, and that's more of a summer color. So yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you again for 800 subs. Make sure you keep smashing that subscribe button and check out my more recent uploads. I will be uploading a video of my boyfriend actually making my wig. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. That's going to be the upload after this one. And I I will be doing a review on that hair, as well as showing you guys how I dyed that hair that color, because that hair is Beauty Supply Store hair as well, and those were synthetic bundles that I did dye, and I got some pretty decent results. It wasn't as good as this, but it was some pretty decent results, so make sure you guys look out for that. And yeah, so that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah. Bye.